Okay, well, I just found 3 work-from-home jobs that don't require any experience. They offer pretty decent benefits, and you can earn anywhere from $19 to just under $29 per hour. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right into these jobs. The first one comes to us from Voya Financial. Right now they're looking for a client relationship specialist. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States, and they are going to pay you anywhere from $48,180 up to $60,230 per year. That comes to between $23 and $28.98 per hour. Now that's a really good salary, especially because they're not requiring any experience. I'm going to get into that in just a minute. So you'll be working in the benefit-focused customer advocate team. That's one of the brands of Voya Financial. You'll ensure client satisfaction through periodic client meetings and discussions covering service levels, plan utilization, product offerings, and fund performance. So that means you'll work closely with service center management team, plan management, and operations staff to resolve problems and manage tasks assigned for specific clients. You'll perform CSA feedback and coaching, working through frontline management, ensuring frontline tools are accurate based on interactions, and identify training trends and RCPS. You'll also track and trend training opportunities to be shared with management in learning and development, handle financial escalations through resolution, including customer contact, and you'll do customer follow-up on escalated or sensitive issues within the established SLA. So there are a few things I want to mention. Even though this is a no-related experience job, they do want you to have a thorough understanding of assigned clients' requirements, and that's something you're going to learn on the job. And they also want you to have the ability to work with plan administration to resolve an escalated issue. Again, something you're going to pick up while you're working. They want you to have a high school diploma or a GED, have organizational, time management, and prioritization skills. You also have strong verbal and written communication skills, and you have flexibility with your shift and hours based on workload. They list a few preferences, and these are just preferred, they're not required. So they prefer you have a bachelor's degree, and they prefer you have good working knowledge of the company's products and services. And again, both of those are just preferred, they're not required. But what I recommend doing is just going through the website, doing some internet research, see what you can find out about Voya Financial. That'll just make you stand out and give you a better chance of getting this job. So if this $48,000 to $60,000 a year job interests you, you can find the direct link in the description area below this video. This is no experience remote job number 1. Our second job comes to us from Valera Health. They're looking for a customer service representative, RCM billing. This is a 100% remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States. And the first thing I want to do is scroll down this job lead to see if they tell us how much they pay. And I don't see it, so I turn to their profile on Glassdoor. And it looks like Valera Health has paid customer service representatives anywhere from $16 to $21 per hour with an average salary of $19 per hour. Now, there's no way I can guarantee that's how much you're going to make, but you'll have to work that out with them. But at least you have a starting point when negotiating your salary. So going back to the job lead, you'll be responsible for providing customer service and support to healthcare customers, responding to customer inquiries, providing information about products and services, and resolving customer issues. So you'll be responding to a bunch of phone calls and emails from customers within a 48-hour turnaround time, assisting customers with requests for information, complaints, making appointments, and resolving issues. You'll also collect co-pays and deductible payments, maintain and update customer and referral information, and ensure patient forms contain all necessary billing information. You need a high school diploma or equivalent, and they prefer you have an associate's degree or higher, just preferred, not required, and it's a plus you have prior customer service experience, and that too is just a plus, it's not required. But like I always say, if you ever dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service, customer support. They'd like you to have strong written and verbal communication skills. You're able to communicate calmly and diplomatically with customers, coworkers, and visitors. And I don't know why they say visitors. This is a remote position. You're not going to be seeing anybody. You need good attention to detail abilities, especially involving checking forms and documents for proper information. You have a working knowledge of Microsoft Office Suite or similar software, and you're proficient in customer service. You also have knowledge of medical insurance procedures and active listening and comprehension skills. And when it comes to this knowledge of medical insurance procedures, don't worry about that too much. I'll put a link in the description area below this video to a really good free resource where you can pick that up. And they also have a few preferred qualifications, just preferred, they're not required. They prefer you have excellent communication skills, strong customer service skills, and the ability to build positive relationships with customers. So in addition to the potential average salary of $19 per hour, it looks like they offer the typical suite of benefits. If you like this job, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 2. Our third no experience needed work from home job comes to us from Bristol Global Mobility. They're looking for an administrative assistant corporate relocation. This is a full-time remote position. Even though it has a location of Phoenix, Arizona, they do tell us here you can do this job anywhere within the United States. And like I always do, I'm going to scroll down here to see if they tell us how much they pay, and I don't see it, so I turn to their profile on Glassdoor. And it looks like Bristol Global Mobility has paid administrative assistants anywhere from $21 to $29 per hour with an average salary of $24 per hour. And just like the previous job, there's no way I can guarantee that's how much you make. You'll have to work that out with them. So, as an administrative assistant, you'll provide day-to-day administrative support for service delivery functions and team members, in addition to overall corporate tasks as needed. So, as I read through this job lead, it sounds like you're going to be doing a whole bunch of data entry and receptionist kind of duties. You'll manage and process data entry of incoming relocation authorizations from clients, answer incoming calls and route appropriately, and track and document real estate transactions as needed. You'll also conduct audits of data and general reporting, assist mobility advisors, being a backup when needed, participating in team meetings, trainings, and assistance in all areas to help Bristol succeed. You'll also perform a variety of office administration functions, clerical and administrative duties, and be the backup to the service delivery support specialist. So you don't need any experience for this job as long as you have a high school diploma or a GED. If you don't have a high school diploma or a GED, they'd like you to have 1 to 3 months of related experience and or training or equivalent combination of education and experience. So 3 months of related experience, that's like nothing. As long as you can do some data entry and pick up the phone, I think you're good for this job. But again, if you have a high school diploma or a GED, you don't even need that experience. So remember, this job has the potential to pay $19 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the direct link below. This is job number 3. Well, there you go. 3 work-from-home jobs that don't require any experience. Hopefully one of them works out for you. But if you're looking for something part-time, maybe you want to just work on weekends, check out this video right here. Good luck to all of you who apply. And as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.